This glow-in-the-dark wood painting kit looks super fun, and I can't wait to try it with my students. It comes with 16 wooden rounds drilled with holes so you can hang them. Comes with string for hanging, 12 different paints, some stick-on jewels, glitter glue, googly eyes, glue, paintbrushes, and felt so you can make ears or wings or whatever you want to do. And this is the glowy material. So what you do is, what color do I want to do? Let's do red. Open up the paint and paint on right here. It works. It's going on nice and smooth. And then when you're done painting whatever creation you're doing, you can attach some jewels, some glitter, or the glow goo. Cut the lid off and then just squeeze it on. Now I wanted to know if this really glows, so let's go check that out. And look at that. Indeed it glows. It's even sparkly, which I didn't expect. Anyway, I think these are pretty cool, and I can't wait to try them out with my kids, and I would definitely recommend and buy them again.